Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to enable voice memos on iPhone. So if you want to turn on the voice memo on your iPhone to record voice or to record background meeting, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now when you want to record voice memos on your iPhone, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have access to the utilities folder here. And if you couldn't find the voice memos in the utilities folders here, just come to the Spotlight search and search for voice memos. And if the voice memos is also missing on the utility page, then you can just go to your app library. On the app library, click on the search button and search for voice memos. Then go ahead and open the voice memos using either of these suggested approaches, whether from the utilities folder, using Spotlight search, or app library. Then once you open the voice memo, what you're going to see first is here, if you have any recorded videos, you're going to have access to all recordings. And if you have recently deleted videos on your voice memos, then you have access to it as well here. Now, to turn on or enable voice memos on iPhone, all you just need to do is click on all recordings and then tap the recording icon. Then once you tap the recording icon, you'll see the voice memo recording start like this. So you can just exit this page, and once you're done recording with your iPhone voice memo, then you can come back to the voice memo application under utilities, or just click on your time icon to open voice memo and then click on the stop icon. Then once you hit the stop icon, you'll see the voice memo added to all recordings. So that is basically how to enable voice memos on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.